My name's Andrew Cotton. I'm the chef at Merchant Man, and I'm from Charlottetown. I started in kitchens as a part-time job, and quickly grew to love food, and quickly grew to love food here on PEI. Years ago, I seen that the food scene was really starting to boom, and that's something I wanted to stick around and be a part of. One of my favorite things about working with PEI food producers is the small community that there is in the food industry here in PEI. You really get to know and become friends with a lot of your suppliers and the people that you work with every day, even outside of your location. I think what drew me into kitchens in the first place was sort of the family atmosphere of it. Everybody that works together in a kitchen is usually pretty close, and it was like having a second family. I describe PEI's food scene as abundant. There's lots of, like I said, great suppliers, great restaurants. It's not hard to find what you're looking for around Charlottetown and across PEI.